first in the world Urus with shift lights on the steering wheel. That's pretty cool. Wide body first, brushed white wrap first. Crazy.
Forged carbon interior.
Forged carbon first Urus, yeah. Forged carbon interior everywhere, even on the steering wheel now. So, finally, you guys didn't know, but new steering wheel for my car, Carbontastic. Tell us a little bit about it.
So this is a custom steering for the Urus. It's gonna be first in the world that Urus equipped with a shift light.
Shift light.
Because Vic has such a unique interior with the red leather, I bring out with all the red samples and he picked the right colors. So the red leather
is matching.
It's not match.
So I don't know. I don't think we should wait anymore. Let's take it off. Let's show them what's up. Boom! Look at that.
All right. So the forged carbon is gonna match with all the interior trims, also the white body kits.
That's crazy. Look at all that carbon forged to match my interior. All this is silver on the original, so this is all carbon forged now. So this is gonna be dope. And then the craziest part is the shifter. So shift lights right here. Look at that. That's crazy. And just like the Ferraris. Yeah.
Adjustable.
Adjustable.
Something better than the Ferrari, you can change the color. Oh. So I know the new Ferrari, they are from green to blue. Old one is like from yellow to red.
Okay.
We have blue, we have purple, we have white.
Nice. All right.
You can adjust everything.
We're gonna play with that. We're gonna get this installed right now and show you guys the final results.
All right.
Let's do it. So this is my little home screen, I would call it. It shows the RPM and it shows the mile per hour. So let's try to be a little gentle. So I have it starting at 3,000 and then it goes up and then boom. So this helps a lot. At night I was driving it the other day and it's super bright. So I don't need to like really put my eyes here. I could be focusing on the road and this thing will blink hard enough for me to see and shift. These lights are also customizable. I could change the colors to all red if I want. So it has also other features, temperature of the car, battery voltage, remaining gas. You guys want to order something like this, you don't even need to have your own core. So you can keep your steering wheel like I did with mine. Contact us, we can find out if it's available. These are also limited. I think there's only one core available for the Urus right now. He's gonna try to get more for us, but yeah, there you have it. Really, really awesome stuff. The Ferrari. Yes, how about this one? Sick. All right, guys, this beast is back. 4x4 G-Wagen squared right here. This one, as you guys remember, has the pink and blue on it with the puffy delivery stuff on there. You guys saw us film this, build this. Now we're taking off all the wrap. This thing kind of has a double wrap because it was first blue chrome and then we did the pink all over it. So we're gonna take them all off, put it back to white original color. As you guys know, this has the big 40s on it. So this looks really tough. We should be trying to finish it today, but it's a lot of work, so we'll see.
Yeah, this is probably the most craziest Escalade I've seen.
Lexani custom Escalade.
Jesus
I think these
Christ.
go for like 300 grand.
Oh, so it comes like this?
Yeah, they build it like
Oh, it
this.
comes like this.
It's like an insane build. Look at these.
Oh my god.
You could put 4 people in it.
That's crazy.
Tables in here that open out.
There's
so you
everything.
get a table. You control stuff from there. You have a sunroof over here.
That's insane.
Full sunroof. iPad. I think it's a, what is that? Maybe like a 50-inch TV? 45-inch TV?
That's huge.
With a divider.
It's a bigger TV than the one I have in my house.
Check this thing out. This is like the ultimate luxury of a stroller slash little car possible. You take this down, and now you literally have a fully functional stroller. So you could control this thing from the back. You basically can unhook this, or you could have it on there and it's not even doing anything. So your kid is in there driving, but you're really driving it from the back. Now this is steerable from the inside. You could close this up and your kid could drive it from the inside. So all the options are right here. You got this really cool rose gold display right here. This is your park. This is your reverse. Here you have different speeds. This is stroller mode, as you can see, where actually you could walk it. You could switch it to the car mode, which would be to go inside. And you have 2 seats, so I'm sitting on the higher seat. Me and Moses took it on a stroll, and it's powerful enough for both of us on there. It's about 400 pounds on this thing, and it drives still fast. It has different speed modes. It has a cruise control mode right here. This is your throttle in the back. So really crazy stuff. We're gonna be releasing this in the store actually. It's pretty pricey, but you get a lot. This is no joke. This is ultra luxury stroller slash kids car right here.
This is an amazing luxury. Hey!
All right guys, you saw this brand new E63S with that multicolor 2-tone wrap we just did a couple episodes ago. Unfortunately, the car was sitting in the customer's garage and somebody stole his wheels and left the car on cinder blocks. We have a picture of it, it's on our Instagram. So we went with our technician. We had another set of wheels, AMG wheels. So we went through it on and drove the car back. Customer made an insurance claim, of course, because he got vandalized. So they broke his wheel locks. Before anybody says why I didn't have wheel locks, he did have wheel locks. They either broke it off or had the tools for it, but they planned it out really well and they took his wheels. So it still happens out there, folks, so be careful. But yeah, it's in good hands now, so we're gonna take care of it. Just finished up this Pirelli Edition Aventador. We love Aventadors. We've been doing them for many years. We've done highly modified ones to very minimal ones. We've done crazy exhaust systems to wraps, wide bodies, slammed SVs, SVJs that shoot flames. First modified SVJ in the world we did. So it's really cool to do an Aventador again. This is the Pirelli Edition. As you guys saw, it was yellow, bright yellow. Now we made it satin pearl white. The satin pearl white is very nice. It's classy, yet aggressive, so it looks really good on the Aventador. We left all the Pirelli Edition stripes, those red stripes, so the car really looks like it came stock from factory in this white color. Interior is beautiful. It's all suede with the red Pirelli on the seats again. The right side driver's door mirror was broken and hanging. We got a new mirror, installed it, so that's all good again, works perfectly. So this Aventador is ready to go. Only thing we have to do is get some gas because it's about to die. Aventadors love fuel, so we're gonna get some gas too. But yeah, that's it for this Aventador. Oh, come on. All that doesn't reach.